Hi guys, welcome to honeystocks.com, and as you can see there, the question I'm asking today is where next for the stock market, 7th of August 2019. If this is your first time here, please do pause the video, just make sure you're comfortable with this. I'm just going to talk for a couple of minutes, couple of charts, let you know what we're seeing on a technical level with the market and where we can expect to go next. And if you do enjoy the video, just subscribe to our channel, let me know what stocks are on your radar. And yeah, let's get going. So I think the first chart that I really posted to social media yesterday, now this is obviously the Dow. This is the most important chart on the planet. And what I was highlighting yesterday was the last time the market reached oversold conditions, we rallied, as you can see there, 26%. Now, as we can see on Monday, we absolutely reached oversold conditions. We had a lot of fear in the market, huge turnaround that hopefully yesterday will be known as Turnaround Tuesday. And, hopefully the market rallies another 26%. But I do have a few stocks that I feel like should be on the radar. And for those of you that are maybe in these positions at the moment, hopefully this gives you a little bit more technical insight. So that's really what I'm looking at with the Dow at the moment. There's obviously many charts I could talk about, but I'm not going to take up too much of your time. So first chart we have up is Starbucks here. Now, Starbucks has found very key support here, and this is on the weekly chart. The 261 extension has offered support for price. Now, the expectation is that this now starts to move through the levels. As we can see here, we've got a very clear upside target objective, and obviously, as we can see, we do need to clear this $100 significant round number resistance also. So I think if we can get beyond that, I think there's a very clear upside potential there, another 20% for Starbucks to move. Next up, we've got Nike, whatever you call it, depending on where you are in the world. Again, very logical support. We've found it. We've had a bit of a bounce yesterday. It looks like today we're getting a little bit of continuation. So I think with Nike, I think you can certainly be bullish above this level. I think it's around $77. But again, there's a very clear upside objective there around 90. Historic resistance is very real. So I think with that particular stock, that's the way that I would be looking to play it. I think we've got Microsoft as well, very consistent, steady performer. Those of you that are not really too keen on, massive amounts of volatility that perhaps some of the other tech stocks, perhaps the cloud-based tech stocks that have, been nosediving the last few days, lots of intraday volatility. I think with Microsoft, it's very clear. There's a very clear level that's being respected here. So for me, I would absolutely be bullish on Microsoft above this level. The expectation is that this starts to move towards 150, provided we have favourable overall market conditions, which is absolutely critical to every chart that I'm talking about here. And Disney. I wanted to really touch on this one. I've had so many messages and emails about this in the last 48 hours. I think the key to it here, guys, is to understand that the technicals are absolutely playing a part here with Disney. Obviously, earnings, we can't control what happens with earnings. Nobody has a crystal ball. If you're playing earnings reports and hoping to do well, I would, urge you to reconsider your strategies. However, with that said, Disney has just found resistance at a very logical level of resistance. It's the 161 extension of the drop from 2015. So, yeah, the logical entry on this was above this level. You shouldn't be taking positions anywhere around here. It's madness. So we've obviously had a drop now. By all accounts, it's not great earnings. So how far Disney drops, we'll obviously need to observe. But there's a very clear level for entry here, which is above 145. And let's wait and see what happens with Disney here. So that's really all I wanted to talk about, guys. If you enjoyed the video, go and check out our website at honeystocks.com. And as I said before, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We upload a couple of times a week. And thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it.